guys, it's Derek again. Sorry I wasn't making videos. I was planning to make one, but my camera died. So yeah, making one today. Yeah, sorry about that. What should I show you today? I was spinning! Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so more Total Drama Wrestling videos will be on. And as well videos, ASCF movie skits, and a bunch of other random stuff. So yep. Stay tuned for that, because it's coming. Okay. Peace. Bye-bye.